Hi there guys, so today I've got an unboxing of the Apple Watch SE 44mm in the colour Space Grey. So on the front of the box you just have the Nike logo and the Apple Watch symbol, and then on the back it just says exactly what is included. So it just says Apple Watch SE Space Grey Aluminium 44mm, and it says it just includes the watch, the band and the charging cable, power adapter sold separately, because obviously with this one you don't get the 3-point brick. So I'm just going to take the cellophane off the box, actually unbox it. So here we have the box. So with the Nike it's just all black. And then, to undo that, you just pull these, I believe, here. And then it just unravels, and there's lots of different watch patterns inside, which looks really nice. And then just spin it that way. And then this top bit has got the actual watch itself. And then this bottom one is the actual strap for the watch. So let's take the box off the actual watch face, and then yeah, it says designed for athletes by Apple and Nike, and then the actual watch face itself is here. And let's have a look. And then in here you've got a get started guide, some warranty information as well. I'm going to pop that to one side. You do also get in here the sort of USB charger, so it's like a magnetic one, but you just don't get the 3-pin wall adapter to save the planet, so you can just buy one separately. You probably already got one of those as well. And then the actual band is the Nike Sport one. That's just in the standard black colour. So it's just Nike Sport band there. Space black stainless steel pin also. So it's just got a pull tab here. Just pull that down. And then let's have a look. Right, here we go. Right, so let's open that. So it's got the Apple Watch and Nike symbol, and then we lift it up. It's just going to tell you how to insert that into the actual watch itself. And yeah, so you've got the small and medium one, and then you do actually get a medium and large as well, just depending on how big your wrist is. And then this side's just the same as always for that one. So yeah, and I'm going to put the large one in for me. So let me just take this out. Yep, so I'm just going to place this band inside the watch. So it's just got like grooves like that, and you just slide it in. So you just slide like that until it clicks into place, like so. And there we go. And then it's actually turning on. And then the other one, the top, it is quite hard at first because it's quite, there we go, that just clipped in right away for that one. And then it's asking me to bring it near my phone to pair it. So if we pop it near it, hopefully it does something. Right, okay, so it just popped up there. And then you can just set it up through your phone. So let's just have a little look around the watch. So this is obviously the Space Grey Aluminium SE. It's the exact same design more or less as the Series 4 and 5. Yeah, it's got the same processor as well as the Series 5, so it's really quick. It just doesn't have, compared to the 6, the blood oxygen monitoring and also the ECG. It's also not got an always on display, so like the Series 3 you have to flick it up to see it, but for me I probably prefer that anyway because it doesn't waste the battery life being on all of the time. So yeah, that's literally everything for this unboxing. If you do have any questions, just feel free to pop them down in the comments box. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Thank you for watching.